People often think that coconut oil is bad for them. People all over the world use coconut oil because it is good for their health. In fact, it is one of the healthiest oils you can eat. Here are the 7 best reasons to use coconut oil instead of other common cooking oils. 1. Your body doesn't turn coconut oil into fat. Coconut oil won't make you fat like many other oils, like soy, vegetable, and corn. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, which are an easy fuel for the body to burn without turning to fat. Long-chain triglycerides are found in most other oils and fats used for cooking, LCT. LCTs are usually stored as fat. Since MCTs make up coconut oil, it is easier to absorb and is turned into energy faster. Coconuts have been an important part of the diet of people living in the tropics for hundreds of years. They eat a lot of coconut oil every single day. It keeps them healthy, lean, and trim instead of making them fat. When they switch from coconut oil to the oils we use today, they get fat and have other health problems that are common in our society. People who sell food for animals are another group of people who have known this for a long time. When animals are fed vegetable oils, they gain weight and make more meat that is high in fat. When they eat coconut oil, they lose a lot of weight. 2. Coconut oil speeds up the way your body uses energy. Coconut oil not only helps your body turn food into energy faster, but it also speeds up your metabolism, which helps you lose weight. It helps your body burn fat better because it speeds up your metabolism. Coconut oil might make you burn 3 times as many calories. Because coconut oil is an MCT, it is quickly turned into energy, which makes a lot of heat. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, MCTs burned 3 times more calories than LCTs for 6 hours after a meal. The February 15, 2005 issue of Woman's World magazine stated that coconut oil is the underground high metabolism secret. This is great news for people with thyroid problems because coconut oil makes thyroids work better by making them make more thyroid hormones. Most other common oils, like corn and vegetable oils, like soy, have been shown to stop the thyroid from working. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in coconut oil. Omega-6 fatty acids are found in most cooking oils, and Americans get way too much of them. Our ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 should be 1:1, but it's actually closer to 50:1. To stay healthy, we need to eat a lot less omega-6 oils and a lot more omega-3 oils. Omega-3 fatty acids are good for you, and coconut oil is full of them. 4. You can get energy from coconut oil. Most people who switch to coconut oil feel like they have more energy in their daily lives. This is because it has healthy omega-3 fatty acids and speeds up the metabolism. This is because coconut oil has the most medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, of any natural food. MCTs speed up the metabolism and help people lose weight. MCTs make thermogenesis happen, which speeds up the body's metabolism and makes energy. People with fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome have found that eating coconut and coconut oil helps them. 5. Coconut oil is one of the best things you can use on your skin and hair. One of the best things you can put on your skin and hair is coconut oil. It helps with skin problems like rashes for a short time. It helps skin heal and looks like it did when you were younger. It has also been known to help people with yeast infections and many other skin problems. Coconut oil not only makes your skin soft and smooth, but it also has antioxidants that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Also, coconut oil is a great massage oil. Coconut oil is good for you in ways that most other oils aren't. More and more research shows that both eating and putting coconut oil on the skin kills viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Most oils oxidize and go bad very quickly, which is bad for our bodies because free radicals cause damage. Coconut oil doesn't oxidize easily and doesn't hurt your body as polyunsaturated vegetable oils do. Free radicals are thought to cause a lot of problems in our bodies, from arthritis to making us more likely to get cancer. Coconut oil also makes it easier for our bodies to take in other nutrients, like vitamin E. 7. One of the best oils for cooking is coconut oil. It can handle higher temperatures than olive oil because it has a higher smoke point. We can eat healthy omega-3 oils like flax and olive oil, but they don't do well when exposed to the high heat we use to cook. Coconut oil can be used when the heat is higher. Coconut oil is less likely to go bad than other cooking oils, which usually go bad before you even get them home. Free radicals damage the body, which is a major cause of cancer. Rancid oils do the same thing. At room temperature, coconut oil stays stable for more than a year. We have been given the wrong information for years, so we have missed out on the health benefits that coconut oil has been giving to people in the tropics for hundreds of years. But now it's been found again. Because coconut oil works so well, it won't be long before it's sold as a supplement. But you can get ahead of the trend and start eating and cooking with coconut oil right now.